In this video, I'll show you how to pin a post on Facebook. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. At first, you need to be logged into your Facebook account or your Facebook page. I'm going to show you how you can pin a post to your Facebook page or Facebook account. So let's say I'm going to come in here. I want to type something now. So I'm going to type how to edu, right? So this is the post I want to pin to my Facebook account. So I'll click on this post. Yeah, so it has posted. So I'm going to pin this post right now to my Facebook page. I'll click on this three dotted icon. I'll click on it. I'll be displayed with some options: save post, pin post, edit post. So I'm going to click this pin post right now. Once I've clicked on it, my post has been pinned. Your post has been pinned. Yeah, this is it. Your post has been pinned. So I've automatically pinned my post right here on my Facebook account. This is how you can pin a post on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the very next one.